Hello everyone and thanks for watching Fast Track Tutorials. My name is Emiel Sliegers, I'm a senior 3D environment artist and I will be your instructor in this course. In this course we will go over on how to quickly and efficiently design environments using Unreal Engine 5. For this course we will be using external assets from the Unreal Marketplace to put together a very cool looking environment within only a few hours. The goal is not only to teach you the tools, but also how to do storytelling in your environment and how to think like an environment artist. This course will cover various topics, including an overview where to find assets and reference, creating a custom landscape using World Creator, placing various large-scale assets while keeping in mind storytelling and composition, foliage setup and painting, placing smaller assets to add to the micro storytelling and making your environment feel complete, and doing lighting and post effects for large-scale environments. And of course there are so much more little things scattered around in this tutorial course. The general takeaway of this course is that at the end, you will have the knowledge on how to create exactly what you see here. And you can apply this knowledge to almost any type of environment. Now as mentioned before, for this course we will be using external assets. This means that the actual environment is not included in the source files, due to me not owning the rights to actually give you these assets. But I have included various bits of information, and with almost no time lapses in this tutorial course, I am sure that you can follow along and learn from this course no matter what assets you are using. With a total of more than 7+ hours of video content, I feel confident that at the end of this course you have the know-how on how to create various types of environments in Unreal Engine 5. This course will also come with auto-generated subtitles in English, Chinese, Russian and Spanish. I hope that you will enjoy this course and I hope that it will have a positive impact on your life. Once again, my name is Emiel Sliegers and thanks for watching Fast Track Tutorials.